Hi everyone, today I'm talking about Pinterest stock and that I've gone and bought Pinterest stock, and also we're going to cover the earnings because the earnings have come out and the stock is up 17% after hours. So I mentioned I would buy the stock on the free stocks I'm buying. I also did a separate video on Pinterest which has loads of information on why I'm going to be buying the stock of Pinterest. And I bought Pinterest stock on Wednesday, and I basically bought a lot of Pinterest stock from my profit from Tesla. So I sold Tesla on Wednesday and then I bought Pinterest with a bit of the profit from there. Now obviously after earnings the stock is up 17% after hours. So I'm going to talk about if I'm going to take that profit, because obviously it's a quick profit in really like a day, 2 days. So I'll talk about at the end what I'm planning to do with the stock as well towards the end of the video. But we'll get stuck into Pinterest stock. So like I say, I've got some detailed videos on why I bought Pinterest stock further on my channel where I do a complete deep dive into the company. But if I was to do a 60 seconds kind of explanation why I got into the stock, basically I really like the company because it's a new IPO that's making profit, which we don't have many of them. The revenue growth side of it is a company that's growing over 30% revenue growth, which is fantastic. The company itself has just become the third largest social media platform in the US, and also it has no debt on its balance sheet as well. So this stock kind of says to me that it is a good potential company for someone to go buy that wants to get into that social media area, and Apple, Google. It would be a fantastic purchase for them, but I didn't slowly get into it because of that reason. But all the other reasons as well, with the growth that they have, is fantastic. Now like I say, I bought on Wednesday and I bought at $22.68. Now I'm up 17% after hours. When I bought the stock it actually went down slightly, and then on the day of the earnings it went up 5%, and like I say, after hours it went up 17%. So right now I'm actually 17% up on my position at the moment. Earnings wise, we had an EPS beat, we had a revenue beat, and the big reason why the stock pushed up was because of the international growth. Now if you watch my previous video, you'll know that I said international growth is the key for Pinterest. At the moment, international growth is more than the US growth for Pinterest, and also the ad per revenue for the international growth is a lot less than what the US ad per revenue is, and that needs to improve. Now management in the last quarter said that that's where they need to improve as well. So we knew that management knew where they were going to start making some improvements, and they started doing some more monetizing in 9 new international countries. Now obviously all that kind of factored in. Pinterest, the management, they know that's where they had to go and get more revenue for the company, and that's what they've gone and done. And the management will carry on increasing the ad per revenue for that international market, and as long as they keep doing that, the company itself, Pinterest, will do fantastic on the EPS front, the revenue front as well. So it's great that management know where the company needs to improve the most. And like I say, I think this is a really easy money stock over the next kind of 1 to 2 years. Now with me being up 17% already on my position because of earnings, what am I going to do with my stock now I bought it? Now to be honest with you, the plan was for it to go down after earnings and then I could buy it more at a cheaper price. Now I'm up 17%, I am just going to hold my position because when I bought into the stock, I said I believe there's 30 to 50% upside. Now it's gone up 17%, it basically means there's going to be 15 to 35% upside in my opinion from here. So I'm still going to wait for that to come because I think Pinterest will get there at some point. So I'm not going to buy anymore, but the shares I do have, I'm going to hold on these 17% gain and try hold out for that, overall a 30 to 50% gain on this company going forward. But like I say, I'm really happy with these earnings because they were good earnings and the stock did deserve to go up. So Pinterest, I thought I'd make a video sharing you guys, being transparent again, showing what I've bought, what prices I bought at, and I hope you enjoy the video because I did say I was going to buy it before earnings twice. I made 2 videos about it, so if any of you guys did go buy it, let me know in the comment section. But as always guys, remember, give the video a like, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next video.